Jakobi. I will be doing the sound effects for you today. And the first one is the weed eater. Here we go. Okay, the second sound I will be doing is the bag up sound of a truck. Beep, 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 beep. And the third sound I will be doing is the sound effect for the truck. Okay, and the fourth sound I'll be doing is a chainsaw. Okay, and that's all for today. See you.